What's better than investing in XRP and making a bunch of money, making it tax-free and using a strategy like a Roth IRA? Now in today's video, I'm going to break down how you can actually use a Roth IRA. I know it seems boring. You buy stocks, bonds, and mutual funds with it. You can buy crypto with your Roth IRA like XRP. In today's video, I'm going to break that down. I'm Matt Sorensen. Let's build wealth. Now you're going to need a Roth IRA to use this strategy, and I'm going to show you how you get crypto in it here in a second. The first thing I want to make sure you understand is you're going to need a Roth IRA. Now most people think of a Roth IRA and they're thinking Fidelity or Charles Schwab or a broker-dealer type place. Now most of those places will not let you buy crypto with an IRA. If they do, it's like the Bitcoin ETF, but you're not going to be able to buy Solana or XRP or any other popular cryptocurrencies that may have a ton of value and growth ahead of them in those types of IRAs. So the broker-dealer IRA is not going to work. What you need is a self-directed IRA. And that's what my company Directed IRA does. Our clients use self-directed IRAs to invest in small businesses, in startups, in real estate, but also crypto. And we've created a specific crypto IRA product where you can use a Roth IRA. Now, the reason a lot of crypto people like the Roth IRA is I put my money in the Roth IRA, I don't get a tax deduction. But as I invest that money and it grows, I pay no tax on the growth. And when I pull the money out later in retirement at 59.5, it comes out entirely tax-free. So if I bought $10,000 worth of XRP, for example, and by the time I hit 59.5, it's worth $100,000. Who knows where it's going to go, but just hang with me on the example here so you can understand how it works. That $90,000 of growth is not taxable when I pull it out later in retirement. Of course, if I invested that in a brokerage account or my regular crypto trading, wherever I'm doing my crypto investing, and I later sell it, I'm going to be paying tax, capital gains tax of 20%, and then whatever state income tax based on the state you live in. So I'm not going to make $90,000 of profit when I sell that. I'm going to pay 20% tax, which is $18,000. Maybe I'm in a 5% state tax bracket, so there's another $4,500 in tax. So all that's eating into the money I really get to make. But if I use the Roth IRA structure and strategy, I get to keep every penny of that. That's why people love Roth IRAs for just buying stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. But we can use the same tool, the same account to buy XRP with our Roth IRA. All right, now let me break down how this works here. So you've got a Roth IRA. Now for most people that already have a Roth IRA, let's say you have a Roth IRA at Fidelity, you're going to do two steps. The first step is you're going to open up a crypto Roth IRA at our company, Directed IRA. Okay, and there's links below. We have these accounts. We've been doing this for years now. Now, since you already have money over here at a broker-dealer Roth IRA, let's say you've got 100 grand in this Roth IRA you've had for years, you can say, you know what? I want to invest 40,000 of that 100K over here into crypto. Well, you can leave 60K here and then just do a transfer of the 40K over to your crypto Roth IRA. No tax, no penalty. It's a trustee to trustee transfer. Just like Charles Schwab lets you buy stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, at Directed IRA, we're a licensed, regulated custodian. We're audited, examined by the banking department. Okay, your money's safe here is what I'm trying to let you know. But when your funds come over here, you're going to transfer over cash. We will then, step two, deposit that into a Gemini trading account. Now that'll be in your Roth IRA's name. So we have a relationship with Gemini. We've been working with them for years where our Roth IRA accounts will own a Gemini trading account. You're going to log in to Gemini on their active trader exchange account, and you can go in there with the US dollars that we will fund. So you're going to have fiat US dollars in your Gemini wallet on exchange, and you can go buy XRP tomorrow. So now at the end of the day, I've got XRP, and there's other cryptocurrencies you can buy there. I'm just using XRP because it's popular right now. My Gemini account is not owned by me. You're not on there. It's not hitting your 1040. They're not going to send you the 1099-DA that's supposed to go to the IRS because you don't own that account. Your Roth IRA does. And just like your broker-dealer Roth IRA, when it's buying stocks, nothing's going on your 1040, your tax return to the IRS, because you don't pay taxes when you make money in your Roth IRA, whether you're buying stocks, real estate, or crypto in your Roth IRA. So that's the nice thing here is your Roth IRA at our company, Directed IRA, is the owner of that trading account at Gemini. Now, what if you're like, Matt, but I don't have a Roth IRA. I've got a traditional IRA or an old employer traditional 401k. Can I still do this tax-free with a Roth IRA? Yes, but when we move this money from your traditional IRA to your Roth IRA, we'll need to convert it. Now, that takes the money as pre-tax dollars, traditional dollars, which is you're investing and growing. When I pull that money out at retirement, I pay tax as I pull it out. Well, the IRS lets you do a Roth conversion and convert it to Roth. Now, if that's a $100,000 account, I have to take $100,000 into taxable income right now. But that 100,000 is now Roth IRA dollars and can grow and come out tax-free. So if I think that 100,000 can turn into $1 million from an XRP investment, it's a no-brainer, because I'd rather have $1 million coming out tax-free from my Roth IRA when I'm 59 and a half than $1 million coming out of a traditional IRA where I'm going to be paying taxes on the way out. Because if I'm in a 30% federal, 5% state tax bracket, when I'm in retirement pulling this money out, I'm only getting $650,000 of that million. The IRS and the state's getting the rest. But if I converted it to Roth and just paid tax on the 100K, now I am only paying $35,000, again, assuming 30% federal, 5% state. So the benefit here is converting now is beneficial to me, going from traditional, using my traditional IRA dollars and converting them. Now, this of course assumes XRP is going to go up. I don't really know. We don't know that. Maybe you do. But I'm just saying this is the Roth strategy and how you can grow and build it tax-free. All right, let's come to the next scenario. Let's say you don't even have a traditional account, a Roth account. You have no retirement accounts, but you want to use this strategy. Okay, well, you can put $7,000 a year into a new Roth IRA, and that is a new contribution. Now, right now, this is early 2025, before April 15th. You can actually do your 2024 contribution of $7,000 because you have up until April 15th of 2025, and you can do $7,000 for 2025. So, and actually put $14,000 in a year right now. And let's say your spouse, they can do $14,000 too. So between her Roth IRA or your Roth IRA, his Roth IRA, doesn't matter. You can have $28,000 of Roth IRA funds between the two of you from 2024 contributions and 2025 contributions. Now let's just stick with the $7,000 here. Okay, you put your new contribution in. You can send a wire, ACH, send us a check. It's easy. You can fund your account, do it online, and that $7,000 goes into your Roth IRA as cash. We will then fund your Gemini trading account, where that money comes in as fiat currency, as USD, and then you can go out and buy XRP or whatever crypto you want with your Gemini exchange trading account that again is owned by your Roth IRA, not by you. And then each year you can keep putting in $7,000 a year into the Roth IRA account. We'll then fund it into your Gemini trading account, and you're buying crypto every year. So that's one way to do it if you don't have any retirement account. Now, a big question I hear from a lot of people is, well, Matt, I make too much money for a Roth IRA. I make $300,000 a year. I've heard I can't do a Roth IRA contribution. That's not true. Okay, that just means you can't make a standard Roth contribution. I've shot a ton of videos on something called the Backdoor Roth IRA. Check the link below in the description. It explains the Backdoor Roth IRA. But basically what that is if you're high income where you don't qualify to put in $7,000 a year because you make too much money, this is the concept. Rich people shouldn't be able to have Roth IRAs. There's a loophole though, but if you're in this bucket, you can do what's called the Backdoor Roth IRA. In the Backdoor Roth IRA, you do a traditional IRA and you put the $7,000 in. It's non-deductible. You don't take a deduction for it. And then you convert that traditional contribution over to Roth. This is the Backdoor Roth IRA. It's been around for 10 plus years now. I use it. A lot of our clients use it here. It's a strategy. A lot of advisors. You can do this at Fidelity. Okay, this is a well-known strategy. It's not a crazy harebrained thing. So make sure you understand, even if you're high income, you can still be doing $7K a year in a Roth IRA. Now, if you're 50 or older, you can actually do $8,000 a year. You get to do an extra $1,000. Now, the nice thing here is the money gets into the Roth IRA. I can then go on to Gemini and trade it. I can buy XRP. I can buy Solana. You could buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever crypto you want to buy that's on Gemini, you can do it there. Now, with this crypto IRA product, your money stays with Gemini. It's on exchange there. There's not a way to get it off here. There's another strategy where you can use an LLC. It's a lot more expensive. You can go off exchange possibly. There's some hoops you got to jump through. We've done some webinars, other podcasts on this. But what I do myself actually is this product and strategy right here for the crypto I'm doing with my Roth IRA. Now, you could use a health savings account. We've had clients use an education savings account. A lot of these other account options you can use to go and buy crypto tax-free with that designated retirement account. Whether it is a Roth, an HSA, a solo 401k, all of those strategies work with the crypto IRA product at Directed IRA. Now, what I would recommend you just do is book a call with our team. My team's helping clients do this every day. We open a crypto IRA here every 15 minutes at our office. So we can help you. We know the common questions you're going to ask. You can also set up the account fully online at directedira.com. We're here to help you. If you found this video helpful and you're like, I never do this with the Roth IRA, please subscribe to my channel. I'm giving tips on strategies on how to save on taxes, protect your assets, grow and build wealth. I'm Matt Sorensen. We'll see you next time.